Ma'am, could you please state your name and your position?
I am Nenita Camposano, the department head of the OTR branch. I was
Pardon
former-
me, Mr. Chair. Ano, pakiulit po, ma'am.
I am Nenita Camposano, department head of the DOTR branch of Land Bank.
Yes.
I was
You have
former-
taken your oath already, right?
Yes.
Tama po. Please
So-
continue, Congresswoman.
Ma'am, magkano po ang usual na cash na nasa bangko po ninyo at any given time?
Different branches have
Hindi, in your, you can probably speak in behalf of your branch.
I mentioned before that the CIB level of the DepEd branch where I was formerly the department manager.
Ano po, CIW? Ano yung sinabi niyo po?
The cash in vault, sorry.
Okay.
The cash in vault level, the cash level of our vault, as I mentioned in the previous hearing, is 10 million.
So ang ibig po sabihin at any given time, ang ibig sabihin ng cash in vault, yung available na pera sa bangko ay 10 million.
No, Your Honor. That is the maximum, but we don't store cash at that much.
10 million is the maximum, but you don't store for purposes of safety.
Security. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so magkano po usually, ma'am, average?
5 to 6.
5 to 6 million. So you can say that the highest will be 10, it can be 3, it can be 4, and the average is 5. Is this true na yung SDO ay nag-encash? Was it encash or nag-encash ng 125 million at one time?
I was with DepEd branch, ma'am. The OBP is with our Shaw Boulevard branch.
Okay. So can
Do we have a representative from Rojas Boulevard
Shaw Boulevard.
branch? Shaw Boulevard or Rojas?
May I be excused, Your Honor?
So while waiting for the other manager, so sa inyo po, ma'am, at one time is 3 to 5 or 10 million. And for sa DepEd, magkano po ang ini-encash ng SDO?
This particular check, ma'am, 37.5 million.
So paano nyo po nagagawa yon? Kasi 5 to 10 million lang yung cash on vault nyo.
We require our clients to tell us the amount to be withdrawn 2 days or 1 day before. the
So 2
encash.
days or 1 day before, pinapa-prepare yung, okay. And in this case, who made the call?
It was the cash division of the Department of Education.
Cash Division of the Department of Education. Specifically, sino po?
Usually it's Ma'am Sonia De Leon. who
Pardon me?
calls- It was Miss Sonia De Leon who calls us for the reservation.
So si Sonia, Ma'am Sonia, Mr. Chair, is not here. And is this a regular occurrence, ma'am? Ito ba ay pangkaraniwan na nangyayari? Yung 37.5 o yung malalaking amount na ini-encash, pangkaraniwan naman ito.
Yes, ma'am.
So pangkaraniwan ito sa inyo. Usually po para po saan?
We don't know, ma'am. We are not privy to the DepEd's activities.
So pangkaraniwan ito na withdraw ng DepEd.
No, I'm not saying with the DepEd only, but with all our clients, ma'am.
Your clients are government or private clients?
Both, ma'am.
Both. So in the case of DepEd, pangkaraniwan po ba ang nagka-cash advance ng 37.5?
No, ma'am.
Ano po, Mr.
No,
Chair?
Your Honor.
So pangkaraniwan po siya, Mr. Chair, or hindi?
With the DepEd, with the DepEd.
Yes
no,
po.
No, no.
Okay. And maybe, Mr. Chair, we can ask the land bank manager of the other branch.
Ma'am, before we address the land bank manager of other branch. Gusto ko lang pong magdagdag ng tanong.
Yes.
Ilang occasion po kayo na nakapag-withdraw ang DepEd ng 37.5 one time?
3 occasions.
3 occasions. Okay. Thank you po.
Thank you, sir. Ikaw na.
Ma'am, pwede po ba paki-state ninyo yung pangalan ninyo at yung position ninyo?
I'm G&G
Ma'am,
Abad.
pakilapit po yung mic.
Good morning po to everybody and to all our officers. Jean Abaya po from Land Bank Shaw Boulevard Branch. I'm the department manager and assumed the position only as of January 2024.
So, Mr. Chair, is the good manager here now was also the manager present? I'm really sorry, hindi ko po alam yung date ng encashment na nasabi ni Attorney Camora. So, ma'am, covered ba nung tenure nyo itong encashment ng 125?
The one check is negotiated with Shaw Boulevard 2022, and the other 3 checks was negotiated 2023.
Wala pa po kayo nun, ma'am.
I'm not the department manager, but I'm also assigned at Shaw Boulevard, being the branch operation officer.
So, Mr. Chair, matanong po natin sa ating land bank representative, itong okasyong ito, ilang beses po nagkaroon ng encashment ng 125 million?
4 times po siya.
4 times. Sabay-sabay po yun? Buo yung 125 million or kinukuha as the need arises or base dun sa pangangailangan?
1 time po for each check.
1 time for each check. Sino po ang nagpupunta?
Mismong payee po.
Sino po ang payee, ma'am, sir? Mr.
Gina
Chair.
Acosta.
So kaya pala, Mr. Chair, habang ako ay wala pa dito, naririnig ko na lahat kayo nagagalit na nung wala si Ma'am Acosta dahil nga siya ang makakasagot ng karamihan ng tanong dito. Is that our understanding, Mr. Chair? Tama po ba?
Tama po kayo as SDO.
Okay. So ma'am, pagka nag-encash ka ng 125 million, magkano po ang yung average na pera na nasa bangko?
The amount is not sufficient for that 125. So we asked the client.
Pasensya na po, ma'am. Okay lang pong Tagalogin natin para po medyo mas
Sige po, ma'am.
maintindihan.
Yung pong limit ng aming vault will not be sufficient kung ang pinag-uusapan po natin is yung 125 million. So per ano po namin, we request our client po na magpa-reserve for us to prepare po yung cash requirement of our client before the encashment, the day of encashment.
So in this case, meron naman nagpa-reserve.
Meron po.
Sino po, Mr. Chair?
From the agency po.
Sino po kaya from the agency?
Since that time kasi po, I was not in the position po to na mag-accept nung reservation. Will check po dun sa record namin sa branch.
Pare-pareho bang tao ang nagpapa-reserve or hindi naman?
Generally po, from the cash division po of the agency. But I cannot disclose yung exact name or person.
Bakit po, Mr. Chair?
Ma'am, I'm sorry po kasi by that time nga, as I've said earlier po, na I'm not the branch head during that time. And mostly kasi, either po the branch head or yung cashier po namin ang pwedeng mag-receive ng reservation of
Pero
cash.
alam niyo po kung sino ang nagpapa-reserve.
Hindi po.
Kasi isang branch lang. So pwede niyo pong matanong, Mr.
Ma'am.
Chair? Yes.
Nandito po ba yung branch head during that time? Nandito po ngayon?
Wala po siya, Chair.
Wala. Okay.
Retired na po siya.
Retired na. Okay.
So maybe, Mr. Chair, we can invite the former branch chair.
Would you like to, ano po bang pangalan niya?
Yung former manager po.
Yes, nung December 2022 up to September 2023.
Violeta Constantino po.
Violeta
Constantino.
Constantino.
Mr. Chair, I move that we invite Mrs. Constantino in our next hearing.
Is there any second to the motion? Duly seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
So, Mr. Chair, the reason why I'm asking this, andun kasi yung risk. Yung risk ng tao, for all we know, kawawa rin naman si Ma'am Gina Acosta, na pupunta siya, delikado ang buhay niyan. Kasi 125 million cash is not a joke. Ito po ay 4 or 5 beses na pumabalik-balik siya, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
4 times po, since yung check po na na-issued is 4.
So mag-isa lang talaga siya na pumupunta or merong mga kasama?
May mga kasama po.
May mga kasama. Nakikilala niyo po yung mga kasama niya?
No, ma'am.
By face, makikilala po?
Hindi na po, Miss Chair.
Ano po yung sasakyan na ginagamit nila?
We're not aware po of the, kasi po yung parking, hindi naman po namin.
Kasi di ba yung pera nasa loob ng bangko? Maglalabas ka ng pera sa labas, isasakay po ba natin sa tricycle, Mr. Chair?
Hindi po. It's since over-the-counter transaction po siya, after release po kasi ng bank sa client, it's call na po ni client where kung saan
Ma'am,
po
can
nila
you please
ilalagay.
speak closer to the microphone?
Hindi na po namin chine-check or minomonitor yung kung anong car po or vehicle
Sino po,
po.
Mr. Chair, Your Honors, yung naghahakwat?
Sila po mismo, yung mga client.
Ibig sabihin, wala pong taga-bangko ang naghahakwat or nagpapalabas?
Wala po.
Yeah. It's just quite unusual, Mr. Chair, that the branch manager who's present here now seems to have probably a temporary amnesia on what has happened. Kasi napaka-imposible pong maglalabas ka ng 125 million cash, 4 na beses, ni hindi mo lang titingnan kung ano yung paglalagyan at ni hindi mo tutulungan yung kliyente na maglabas ng pera. Kasi syempre, alam mong it can invite perpetrators, either ma-hold up, either pasukin yung branch. Kung ganyan po ba, ma'am, nilalock yung branch or parang open to all lang?
Mr. Hindi naman po. Yung dun sa lalagyan, ma'am, nakikita naman po namin kasi from the teller, i-release po yung money. So the teller, nakikita niya po kung saan niya ilalagay yung money. So yung dun sa paglabas po, since malaki po yung amount, so from the release po, parang dapat wala na pong touch ang one of the personnel since po ilalabas na po siya sa bank. So ang ano po namin
Dumadaan siya ng teller, bale, doon yung teller, yung parang may mesa po na ganon, ma'am? Bale, igaganon mo po.
actually nire-request naman po yun ni client na dapat doon sa discrete place. So since malaki po yung amount, nire-release po namin siya at the back of the teller.
Sorry, ma'am, at the...
Back of the teller po, yung medyo discreet po yung area para hindi po naka-expose
Hindi nyo
sa tao.
tinitingnan yung risk ng empleyado ng gobyerno na kumukuha siya ng malaking cash. Baka mamaya masaksak yan paglabas ng bangko.
Nasa likod nga po, back of the teller po, nasa back room po ng teller.
Back ng teller, yung dinadaanan niya, yung pa rin yung main door or merong ibang daanan.
Yung exit, yung entrance and exit, isa lang po yung dun sa case po ng Shaw Boulevard branch.
So doon din lumalabas.
Yes, Ms.
Okay.
Chair.
At ang naghahakwat nun ay yung kliyente na mismo?
Opo, kasi may mga kasama naman po sila na
Hindi nyo po kilala yung mga kasama.
hindi po.
Hindi nyo
Chair.
naman hinahatid yung pera papunta sa opisina, sa DepEd.
Hindi po, Miss Chair.
Pero pwede siyang ihatid, Mr. Chair.
Hindi po, Miss Chair.
Bakit po? Di ba meron kayong armored vehicle?
Wala po kasi kaming MOA with regards to the delivery of the cash to the client.
Walang...
Wala po kaming memorandum of agreement with them. So, talagang over the
So
counter.
lahat po ng kung ihahatid dapat may MOA.
If we will be using the armored card po, Miss
Hindi
Chair.
na kung for purposes of safety kasi kawawa naman yung mga empleyado at kawani ng gobyerno kung malay mo may pag-interesan sila. Hindi nyo hinahatid ng armored vehicle papunta dun sa opisina para naman safe sila.
Yun po, kung meron po kaming memorandum of agreement kasi yung armored car is need po ng
Sino po yung teller na nag-release ng pera?
teller po ng branch.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Miss Chair, since 4 checks po ang issued check for negotiation, iba-ibang teller po yung nag-issue.
So iba-ibang teller
Oo,
siya.
so in our case, 3 tellers po yung iba-ibang nag-serve.
Okay. At usually is this usual for Land Bank?
In case po ni Shaw Boulevard, that large amount, hindi po siya usual kasi hindi naman po lahat ng client namin nag-encash ng ganong kalaking amount.
Unusual po siya sa pananaw nyo.
Opo, Miss Chair.
Yeah. Mr. Chair, the reason why I'm asking this is we're putting the risk of our government officials and our government employees. Imagine magwi-withdraw ka ganyan kalaki, cold cash. Maybe in aid of legislation, there can also be a cap kasi pwede naman na maraming SDOs or pwede naman to ginawang every other week yung pag-disburse. Tsaka ang tanong there are just a lot of questions, Mr. Chair, because if you get 125 million cash and you bring it to an office, a government office, may vault ba yung government office? Maybe we can ask the representatives from OVP. Meron po tayong vault doon, ma'am, Mr. Chair? Wala na. Can the finance chief answer, Mr. Chair?
Yes, Attorney Sanchez or Attorney Lopez?
Mr. Chair, we have a vault for our cash division, but that is not the same vault being used by the SDO. So I am not aware if there is a separate vault used by the SDO.
Si Ma'am Attorney Zulaika, meron po.
Your Honor, I am aware of a vault as mentioned by the Director for Finance and Admin, for cash. It's used for, I think, understand payroll and petty cash fund.
It's used for payroll. Hindi po ba online na po ang payroll natin, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am,
Yeah,
I'm
oo.
sorry. May I refer this matter to our Chief Accountant and Director for Admin and Finance?
Just to add, Mr. Chair, just to add to what I mentioned earlier, the vault for the cash division is being used primarily for petty cash fund, but there are also some items of payroll. For example, clothing allowance, Your Honor, which are paid in cash to employees.
In your experience, is it safe to take 125 million cash from the bank and transfer it to your office? Risky po ba yon sa inyo? Pwede po ba kayong pasukin? May capability ba kayo na i-deter yung mga possible untoward incidents? Kung sakasakaling mangyari, palayo naman sana at buti hindi nangyari.
Mr. Chair, in terms of the security arrangements in the office, we regularly coordinate with the Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group for security assessment, and we take their recommendations. For example, if they advise us to add additional blue guards, we take their recommendations and apply it. But we defer
So in
to
this
their
case,
risk
Mr.
assessment.
Chair, yung 4 na beses na kumukuha kayo ng cash na 125 million sa Land Bank at nililipat sa opisina ng Vice President, ano po ang naging security measures na ginawa nyo?
Mr. Chair, I apologize, but I do not have personal knowledge on the specific security measures undertaken.
Can you speak closely to the microphone, please?
Sorry, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, I do not have personal knowledge on the specific security measures undertaken after the check was released.
Alam nyo po kaya, maybe the Chief of Staff or the Finance, would you know sino po ang driver nung sasakyan na kumukuha ng pera?
Your Honor, I am not really privy to financial matters in the office. My role really as Chief of Staff is based purely operations. So I think the better person to answer really for admin and financial concerns would be Director Lynn Sanchez.
Director Lynn Sanchez. So, Director, pag dumarating po yung pera, saan po dinidiretso?
Mr.